In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize your website from this to this. It's 100% free and your website media quality will not lose. So without wasting any time, let's see how to do that. To achieve this score in website performance, I will use Hello Proposal website in this case. In this tutorial, we will use Hello Proposal website. Let's copy this website URL and paste it here in PageSpeed inside. Then click Analyze. This is a simple website. There hasn't much image and media. This is why the page speed of this website is 52. Let's analyze again. So this is the result. Now let's improve this result. To improve this result, we will go to the backend of this website. We'll go to plugins and click to add new plugin. Then here I will search 10 WEB. This is the plugin I'm gonna install now, 10 Web Booster. To install this plugin, I'll click to install now. Then click active. I have a WordPress optimized plugin already, so I have to deactivate this plugin first. This is the plugin right now I'm using and this result comes for this plugin. So I will deactivate this plugin. Now I have to sign up and connect with 10 Web. It will take some time. Here you have to log in or you have to create a new account if you're the first time here. I can connect with my Google account, so I'll click to continue with Google. Then I will select the email address I want to sign up with. Then click to continue. After that, you will redirect to 10Web dashboard and it will automatically optimize your website. You don't have to do anything. Just wait. Within few seconds, your website will be optimized automatically. If it's a big website, then it can take times. Otherwise, it will take just few seconds. Whenever you will see 10Web has successfully optimized your home page, then you have to check your website in incognito mode. Let's check that. This website is loading fine and speed is awesome. Let's check with another browser. The speed is awesome and website is looking fine. Now let's check website speed. Copy the website URL and paste it here in PageSpeed inside. Then click to analyze. Wow, awesome! Page speed is 98. That is huge in mobile version. Let's check it in desktop version. It will be 100. Unbelievable. So friend, this is how you can optimize your website just using this plugin. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.